drop can make all the difference. Companions Chemical Safety VR training puts lab safety in your hands, turning complex protocols into instinctive responses without the real-world risks. Our immersive simulations teach workers to identify hazardous materials instantly through industry-standard labeling. They'll master proper PPE application sequences, execute spill containment procedures, and respond to chemical exposures with confidence. Experience hands-on training as your team practices, segregating incompatible chemicals, selecting the right gloves for specific substances, and neutralizing spills using proper techniques, all in a consequence-free environment where mistakes become lessons, not disasters. Watch as your workers develop critical safety habits, checking labels, inspecting eye wash stations, and executing emergency protocols with precision and speed that could save lives. Don't let chemical safety be your lab's weak point. Partner with Companions today and transform how your team handles hazardous materials. Because when exposure is measured in seconds, preparation makes all the difference. Contact us now and experience safety that doesn't require exposure.